Hi teacher, I hope you're well. So I'm gonna give you my opinion about the video. The video for me was incredible and very motivated, and according of it, a citizen of the world is someone who first identified himself not as a member of a state or nation, but as a member of the human race to face the greatest challenges of our world. And I think that one of the purpose of life is that we move forward together, that we support each other. And I always say that we come to serve, not to be served, um, to help or cooperate in things that make a difference. That is the point to fight against the problem that we live today. For example, I think that if you have a positive mentality and you see that we have many problems in our society, if you do things, little things that make the difference, you transmit the good vibes that you have to other people, and the people that see your actions. These people can be motivated with the action that you are doing. And for example, some many years ago, I participate in a group that help poor people, and well, I feel very motivated, and I see the huge problem that we have, because it's a problem that we all have, because we are a society, and I think that we should think about these people that live in conditions that are so bad. And many people don't think about it. For example, the government don't do nothing. I can say in my country, don't help the others, to poor people. Um, I and I don't know, but I can feel inspired, because one of my dreams is create like a organization to help poor people, to because I don't know, these poor people that live in bad condition, they have dreams. And I don't know, I want that the dreams that these people have, I want to come true. And I feel inspired, very inspired about the video, because it's one of my dreams to help others. And I think that encourage every everyone to create change, that our ideas to getting ahead lead to making a change of mentality to everyone. And also, everything depends on us and our mentality, because if we were active citizens, problems such as climate change and the inequality could be solved. And I think being empathic is that we need, so that together we can ahead. And also, and I say that we should be empathic with these kind of things. And I think that we um, if we were together, all the society we were together, we can solve this all the problems. And it's a dream, like, to be honest. And I hope one day we can make a difference and try to help these people with little things. Yes, I can only say that. Thank you so much.